Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel Life of an ISBL. I am Bhavna Rajgopalan, your slightly sleepy host, and you are watching an Unacademy vlog channel. So let's begin for today. We are shooting on the terrace today because um, I'm just feeling sleepy and it's nice and windy today in Hyderabad. I was also feeling cold this morning, so I thought it would be a nice idea to have a change of place. It's not a very pretty terrace here, but anyway, I'm going to leave this place, so I'm going to miss little bits and pieces. Today we're going to talk about um, how to make use of your MBA life. So when you have a year or two in hand, जब हाथ में बस कुछ टाइम थोड़ा सा टाइम होता है, how do you make sure that you utilize it in the best manner is something that we are going to talk about today. The sun is shining on my face, so please don't mind if I'm just squinching my eyes. I'm holding my ISB cup here, if you can see it, and having coffee while I talk to you. So पहली बात ये कि how much time do you have? Is it a 1-year course or a 2-year course that you're doing? And where are you doing it, right? Because the timing will differ from course to course, from region to region. Some courses are for 12 months, some are for 18 months, which mostly happens in, say, a master's in management kind of a program, or then there are 2-year programs for management courses. तो अब बात आती है कि इसे यूटिलाइज किया कैसे जाए. See, there are multiple things in your general MBA life that will be there for you. It will be like a platter. थाली होती है ना, उसके जैसा होता है. So थाली में बहुत सारी चीज़ें सजाई रखी होंगी, बट आप सब कुछ तो खा नहीं पाओगे, क्योंकि हमारा पेट शायद इतना बड़ा तो है नहीं कि आप 50 चीज़ें एक साथ खा लो. So what you really need to do or learn to do is to prioritize which out of those 50 things matter to you. What is it that you want to take away when you leave the place, when you're done with the course? That is the first thing. तो ये बात ना मैं बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ करती हूँ, that have your life goals, plans aligned with what you want out of the course. If you don't have your goal plan कि मुझे ये कोर्स करना क्यों है, then how will you pick and decide what is good for you and what is bad for you, right? दूसरी चीज़, ये होते तो हैं बहुत सारे, बट दीज आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज एज वेल. कुछ होते हैं प्रोफेशनल चीज़ें, कुछ होती हैं सोशल चीज़ें, और कुछ थोड़ी पर्सनल चीज़ें भी. इट्स लाइक हैविंग योर स्टार्टर्स, मेन कोर्स एंड डिजर्ट, एंड व्हाट डू यू वांट अमंगस्ट ईच ऑफ देम. हाउ इट्स डैम विंडी. So now there's a way to decide this. So I'll start with how I went into my MBA at ISB and what kind of priorities I had decided. So I've always been a person who multitasks. Okay, बचपन से I write, I am a vocalist, I dance, I do theatre, and I always liked to be good at academics. That was one of the things that in school that really bothered me if I even lost 1 mark. Yes, I was that kind of a student. But yeah, now I'm not like that. So I was always used to doing this. So my objective was to figure out what I want to do at ISB that would be different. If I'm of course doing the same things also, that's good, but what are the new things that I'm adding? So I had gone with an objective to do 3 new things. Okay, one out of that was definitely going to be sports, and I did it. There's a super league, a sports league called ISB Super League, which is one of the biggest events in the country, that happens across all classes that have graduated. So it's a super fun big event that happens on campus, and I never even thought I would register for it. In fact, I didn't. At the last moment, there was a wild card round before the first event, and the first event was a swimming event. I am a swimmer, but I've never done that, played that as a sport or competed in that. So that was a wild card entry, and I said why not, and I ended up competing the next day for the first time in my life at that kind of a level, and that was a huge takeaway for me. Another thing that I wanted to do, or I started doing, was I had gifted myself a ukulele, and although I'm not great at it, but I managed to use that as an assistance to while I'm singing, or just to calm myself down. That was one of the things that I picked. And another thing that I did was I doodled a lot. I doodled a lot. So these three things were something that I took away, apart from multiple other professional and social things that I did, and we'll talk about that. So have your priorities clear as to what you want to really do. Decide 2 or 3 things that you want to achieve before you get into the college, right? You decide that and go in. Now, every college will have a certain set format. So ये common होता है सबके लिए. Like, it's not just about ISB. Every college will have professional clubs, which are your, let's say, retail and e-commerce club, or your marketing club, or your operations and manufacturing club, right? And then you'll have your social clubs, which are the music club, the dance walk, theatre club, all of these things, right? ये हो गई 2 चीज़ें. Then come events. So there are marquee events in a school that only that school organizes. They can be professional events, or they can be fun, not very professional events. Like for example, we have at ISB we have something called Advaita. Advaita is actually a B school competition that is organized by ISB versus another event, which is, let's say, an ISB leadership summit, which is also a professional one, but it also has different kinds of aspect to it in terms of what kind of people are coming in, what kind of knowledge sessions do we have, what kind of fun sessions are we having. And then there's an alumni festival, Solstice, which is a gathering, an annual gathering, which happens in each college, and that is also a big event, right? So when you consider all of this, you want to put your fingers and legs into everything that you can find. पर क्या होता है कि ये possible नहीं होता है. So the best way to decide is to split it term or semester wise and decide that in this semester, in the first semester, I'm going to do 2 things. One will be studying, because it is actually very important that you don't lose touch with your academics. And I'm saying this after having spent time out of the college after graduating, that you will need that. You will need to know what you're doing, how you're operating, what kind of tools you can use that you learned in MBA. So do not push your academics aside. Keep them close always. Try to grab that learning, because you won't get that kind of time again in your hands to do it. Secondly, academics के साथ ये तो हो गया compulsory, mandatory. Then you pick, I'm going to do 1 social club event, or I'm going to do 1 professional club event. In the second semester, I'm going to hold a position of responsibility, shortly called a POR, in some sort of an event or a club. That's what I'm going to do, right? And maybe in the third one, I'm going to play sports. So something of this sort. I'm just giving you a very random example on how to break it. It depends on you how much you can take in a day. You can do it for 1 day. When you're multitasking, you can do 5 or 6 things in a day. You can do it for 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. But when you're talking about a longer time, you'll get burnt out and exhausted. So don't do that. Pick 2 or 3 things at the most and work with it. Lastly, I think there are, like you said, we have clubs and we have events, but one of the most important things that people go into an MBA for is networking. How to network, how to connect with people on a personal level. For this, it is important that you, of course, keep taking part in the different kinds of events and clubs, but also you go to parties. Parties are actually just a way of getting to know people, connecting with people, right? So you don't have to be an extremely social person, but go to parties once in a while. Meet different kinds of people. If you're going to the same kind of parties again and again, that's also fine, as long as you're developing meaningful relationships with those people. But do that. Be social. Second, and I mean, in addition to that, because this was the last point, in addition to that, it's not just parties. Maybe just hang out over chai or coffee with people. Um, go for walks late at night or early in the morning. Because what you're actually going to retain in terms of network um, are the friendships, and how you form friendships are extremely important. Don't make it just about an exchange. If that person does this for me, then I'm going to do XYZ. No, keep it clear, keep it simple, and have a lot of fun. You're not going to get that time back again. With that, we're going to end today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.